Here you have the beautiful Mercedes. I will show the car 360, and if I see a little damage, I will show it to you guys. In front of the car, I showed you, the car is perfect. It has 1, 2, 3. You cannot even see them. You have a carbon fiber wing. And you have 4 exhaust pipes. Beautiful. And you see, perfect. No damages whatsoever. Original Mercedes rims with good summer tires. This is dirty. This is dirty. I can remove this, so that's nothing. And you have 1 stone chip there. Beautiful car. I will start the car and show you the roof closing and opening. I think you can do it with the key. We will try. Yes, baby. This is so beautiful. Think summer days, you're in Spain, vacation, and you do this and you have a cigar in your hand and a coffee. Your wife is happy, you are happy, everybody's happy. This is very beautiful. The roof is in perfect condition. This is a little bit dirty. It's tinted windows here. And you see here, this is weak points on CLKs and older car. This car is pretty much new. It is not so old at all. We will open the roof again. 1 second. Second key. You must be on that side to do it. Yes. So you must be on the driver's side to operate it. Black inliner roofing, that's extra. Usually dark silver. And you have speakers here. In the trunk, you have an extra wind protection, and this can be closed, so you can push it in, so you get more space. I have the lights on. That's why it's beeping, because I want these beautiful facelift lights to show on the video. The engine, we do not clean the engine because we want to show you the car in its ordinary standpoint. So the car is clean. It's no oil residue anywhere. The car is in perfect condition. Do you want this clean? Only call Ebcars when you buy the car, and they will clean this for you. Beautiful. The front bumper, the grille, the black and white. It makes this car with the front lights so nice. Beautiful car. Call Ebcars for this perfect Mercedes. It only has 12,800 something kilometers. Very nice cars. See you guys, take care, and we see you in another car. Maybe this one in the future. Bye-bye. Here you have all the history from this car. You have extra guarantee from Mercedes. The previous owner had this. It's not valid no more, but it had guarantee from Mercedes. You have all the technical besiktning, car inspection. Mine in Sweden, Germany, and you have the whole life. You see here, you have like 10 papers. 9,000, 4,000, 4,000. You see here, you have all the papers, 2,000. Here you have the Mercedes services, and the services 9,000. You have all the service history on the car. You have the paper for registration. This is original CO2 documents from the car. You have everything. The car has 2 keys that are inside. You have an extra, you see here, from Mercedes-Benz original map from the world. If you're driving, this is extra. All the instructions. Inside the car, you are greeted with a beautiful brown leather. It's darker brown with a piano black interior. You have one little scratch here. Inside you have AMG mats, beautiful brown. This is heating in winter, or if it's cold outside, you can use this. Behind the car, beautiful. You have a little bit of wear here, not much at all, because the previous owner had a kid behind here. The car has Isofix, both sides. You have heating seats and heating blowing neck heater. And you have belt. If I press the button, it go up. Here you have the standard. This is standard, like you can put your drinks and stuff, like they charge your phone. Nobody has smoked in the car. So, here you have the, I will show you. I press the button, the neck behind will raise up, and a wind protection. And I press the button, it will go down. You have here sport mode, manual mode, and eco mode. And you have Bluetooth, GPS. This is pretty much full. You have everything you need. If you flip this up, you have your cabrio settings. You press this down, you close, press up, so on. Window settings, up and down. And you have your protection, wind protection. You press one time, the behind will open immediately. And this one, you have a flap here. It cannot show you right now, but this will raise up when you come to 30, 40 kilometers an hour. And this will raise so the wind will not blow in the behind heads, if I explain this correctly. And you have today's kilometer on the car, and I will start it. I need to put fuel inside. Yeah, that's it. I will drive off the car.